that man is constantly robbed by looking back or looking forward. He is so concerned about what he did and what he is going to do, what he formerly encountered and what he hopes to encounter, and he omits the everlasting present, which is I am. So Christ defines himself as I am the way, I am the truth, I am the light, I am the bread of heaven, I am the true vine, I am the resurrection, all present. But man goes back and thinks of him as something past and hope to meet him sometime in the future. And it's ever present. He only is in the present. So man is robbed by two thieves that he walks with all day long because Christ is crucified here in the present. I have been crucified. I am crucified with Christ. And it is not I who live, but Christ who lives in me. It's present. And his name is Jesus, is I am. So my thief to my left, my thief to my right, I'm always looking to the past or the future. I'm omitting the only reality that resurrects, which is the present. And only what I am ever reaches heaven. Only what I am I pulling up. So don't wait to assume that I am what I would be, because reason denies it. Ignore reason, ignore the facts of life, and dare to assume it, because all things are possible to I am. So the two thieves are with us morning, noon, and night. And we're wondering, I wonder if I did the right thing at that cocktail party last night. Did I say the right thing? Did I make the right impression? And we worry all through the night, did we really do it? That's a thief. And now I'm invited to one tomorrow. I wonder if my tongue will be tied, or do I have the nice dress? Will I have time to go to the hairdresser? And all these things. And I'm concerned about tomorrow. When it's only today. It's now. This is I am.